Hi everyone. Today I want to talk with you about some of the most important life lessons and wisdom you can gather. It's a mix of personal growth, mindset, and practical advice that transcends time and can apply to anyone, no matter where you are in life or what you're going through. So grab a cup of tea or coffee, get comfy, and get ready to think on a higher level. The information I'm about to share with you will blow your mind. Let's talk about your environment. Choosing where you live is a big decision. It's not just about finding a nice place to call home. It's about selecting an environment that aligns with your values and aspirations. Your location influences your beliefs, the friends you make, and the values you hold dear. I want you to consider this. If you want to grow and flourish, it's not just about the seed. It's about nurturing the soil. Upgrading your environment can, in turn, upgrade you. Just like a flower reaching for the sunlight, it flourishes, and the same goes for you. Choosing your friends. Your inner circle of friends and associates plays a massive role in shaping who you become. They influence your beliefs, habits, and even your level of success. So don't simply chase after more friends, but carefully choose who you spend your time with. Remember, you're the average of the 5 people you hang out with the most. It's not about quantity, it's about quality. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, inspire you, and challenge you to become a better person. The quest for knowledge is important. While formal education is essential, there's a wealth of knowledge beyond the classroom. The knowledge they don't teach in school can be your key to financial success. Be a lifelong learner and don't hesitate to explore unconventional sources of wisdom. The school of life can teach you just as much as any university. Embrace self-improvement and don't be afraid to be the least knowledgeable person in the room, because it's an opportunity to learn and grow. Don't wait for a savior. Nobody is coming to save you. If you want to transform your life, the first step is taking responsibility for yourself. The cure for boredom is curiosity, and the key to a fulfilled life is to do something you love and to make money doing it. So stop waiting for others to come into your life and fix your reality. You hold the power to save yourself. Dedicate your spare time towards your goals and interests. The purpose of life is to grow, and growth is the essence of purpose. Once you've figured yourself out, the next step is to take care of your inner circle. Those are the people closest to you, whose lives you can positively impact. Expanding this circle to your local community gives you a sense of purpose. With a clear purpose, it's time to set explicit, compelling goals for your life. Writing them down in detail helps you stay on track. Studies show that people who write down their goals are more likely to achieve them. Progress over perfection. It's important to understand that the journey towards your goals is more valuable than the destination. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for progress. Your best teacher is often your last mistake. Success doesn't come overnight. It usually takes years of consistent effort. So be patient, stay the course, and remember that there are no shortcuts to any place worth going. Doing the right thing for a long time is the secret to uncommon success. let's talk about leveraging knowledge and technology. Leverage is a powerful tool in the journey to success. Those who know how to use the available tools outperform the rest. This applies to technology in your field as well as the knowledge you have acquired. Knowledge is only as valuable as how you apply it. The sooner you apply it, the more you get out of it. As the saying goes, knowledge is power, but applied knowledge is superpower. You need to manage your time wisely. Time is a precious resource, and it's often wasted on being too busy rather than being productive. Trying to take on multiple tasks can slow down your progress. It's essential to prioritize your task and focus on what truly matters. Alright guys, here's another tip. Getting up early can give you a significant advantage in life. The world is often lazy and unmotivated. So if you're up before the crowd, you can make the most of that extra time. Time is more valuable when you're younger, so don't squander it. The key to success isn't just about being better. It's about doing the things others don't consider valuable. The growth you're looking for often lies in the work you keep postponing. The best time to invest in yourself was 20 years ago, but the second best time is right now. Consistency is the name of the game. Keep chipping away at your goals every day, and you'll be amazed at the results that start coming in. Remember, consistency beats talent when talent isn't consistent. Let's talk about regrets. Regret is a heavy burden to carry, and it usually stems from not taking action when you knew you should. The gap between reality and expectations creates stress. It's important to either bring your reality up to meet your expectations or adjust your expectations to match your reality. When it comes to regrets, keep in mind that it's not the first mistake that ruins you. It's the series of mistakes that follow. Learning from your errors and improving is what sets you on the path to success. Becoming your authentic self, your unique voice, is your most valuable asset. You win at life when you enjoy the passage of time and the process of becoming more yourself. Remember, authenticity shines through, and nobody can beat you at being you. Yes, life should be fun, but making your dreams come true is the ultimate relief. Imagine waking up every morning without the stress of having to survive. Instead of spending money on drugs and distractions, invest in experiences and self-improvement. Be cautious about anything that can lead to addiction or long-term damage. It's not worth it in the end. So here's a secret I would like to share with you. The one real test of intelligence is whether you get what you want out of life. Ask yourself, if you're so smart, why aren't you rich? If you're so smart, why aren't you happy? Smart people figure these things out and adjust their course accordingly. So, my friends, as we conclude this journey, remember that life is an ever-evolving process, and it's never too late to start or to make a change. So seize the day, make bold choices, nurture your growth, and find happiness in the journey itself. Your potential is boundless, your opportunities are limitless, and your future is bright. I want you to keep moving forward, keep striving for excellence, and always remember that the only limit in your life is the one you set for yourself. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. One love.
Rock the party non-stop like this, gonna rock the party non-stop like this, gonna rock, rock, be non-stop like this, gonna rock the party non-stop like this, gonna rock.